and I can hardly wait to be with you again. What to say to make you come again? Come back to me again. Play the words that becomes. Don't you remember you told me about you, baby? You said you'd be coming back this week again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you. I really do. Don't you remember tell me when we leave? You said you'd be coming back to say again, baby. Baby, 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 oh baby, I love you. I really do.
Ganon. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Pinay! Ano to? Priya Deep, welcome to the live stream. Ah, thank you! Awesome. There's a kind of us. Priya Deep. Oh, is that Yaninja?
There's time I wish all over the world tonight. All over the world you can hear the sound of lovers in love. No one is to us, and nobody else in this house. There's nobody else that can go this all your time. So listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what it isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is that whisper in my ear. Forever and ever, there is a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world, this silence of falling love.
Mama Snow, I'm working on the brand new album. Wow, just music! Kalakal. Oh, awesome. That's nice, Mama Snow. Gusto ko yun.
Just so listen very carefully, get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is that whisper in your ear, I love you. Forever and ever, there's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world, you can hear the sound of lovers in love.
Mama Snow, you're going to sing. I love your voice, really. Angelic voice. Angelic voice. So pleasant. Ears, soft. Ano ba yan? Soft styles. And it's a caressing voice. Caressing voice eh. Let me see. Not yet. Wala pa. Wow! Dolphin ba yun? Oh, naka 100. Thank you!